In this video, I will share with you how to add the current date and time in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. First, I will log in to my Hostinger account. Go to Websites, click on Websites list. Now click on this Edit Website button next to your website. Just a quick tip: if you're looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder in this list, just look to this little icon next to each website. These first websites are built using WordPress, and this one is built using Hostinger Builder. Click on Edit Website. Now go to where you want to add your current date and time. In my case, I think I will add it in this footer place. Now click on this add element from this menu. Select or scroll down to the bottom and select embed code. Drag and drop this embed code element. Then click on enter code. Delete the default code, and this is the code that we will use. I will try my best to add or to attach this piece of code in my in this video description. If I forgot, just let me know in the comments below. Before copying, or let's go copy this code, paste it here and hit embed code. As you can see, this is let's make space for this. My bad, I've deleted the whole footer. I will make space for this and place it here. Now update website and view site live. Let's scroll down to the footer, and this, as you can see, the time and date is dynamic. This means tomorrow it will shows that it's Sunday instead of Saturday. As you can see, the time is currently updating. Now let's see, before I end this video, I want to show you how to edit this current date and time design to suit your website. It's simple. This is the code. Let's say that I want to make this date text black. All you need to do, scroll down to here in the CSS part, look for the date time sentence. I think, yeah, no, my bad. Go to the date time date. This is the date, and below it look for the color, and here insert your color. Let's go with black, for example. Let's run it. As you can see, now the date is in the black color. Let's return to the original color. Now let's say that you want to edit this background light gray color. Just look for the date time container, and in the background here fill in your color. First let's try the black. As you can see, now it turns to black. Go to look for this website called htmlcolorcodes.com, and you can pick your color from this square, and you will see the color code here. Let's copy this yellow color code. Where is the black? And insert it just like that. As you can see, this is how to change the background color. Let's say that you want to edit this title text. Just copy it like that. To look for or to find this piece of text on this page, click on Command F on Mac or Control F on PC. As you can see, This is what I'm searching for, and this is where it's placed, and this is where is it. Now let's call it Ben's time and run it. As you can see, it was updated. I will return to the original text. I think that's all. I forgot to mention to how to edit the date and time format. As you can see here in the local date string, as you can see now, this is the English date format. Let's say that I want to have the French date format instead of this English one. Just fill here FR, and as you can see, this is the French date format. Let's do the same thing for the time. Just below local time string, here fill in the FR format. Click on run, and as you can see, it was updated instantly. Now let's copy again this piece of code and create or replace the original code. Update the website. Let's refresh this page. And this is the current date and time with the updated background color. This is how to update, and this is how to add or show the current date and time in your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.